Every great story begins with a question. What is this really about? Yet, finding the heart of your story can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Maybe you've been there, sifting through hours of footage, wondering which pieces will resonate, or struggling to uncover the soul of your story. Today, I'll share 3 proven ways to uncover the moments that truly matter. These aren't just tips, they're tools to help you create stories that connect. Whether you're crafting a wedding video, a documentary, a business campaign, or a nonprofit project, these steps will help you find the heart of your story and bring it to life. But before we dive in, let me share something that can make a real difference in your work. My free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop is packed with strategies that will elevate your storytelling. And when you're ready to take things further, my Start with Story, End with Wow Master course will guide you step by step to craft videos that captivate and inspire. These are the exact techniques I teach my students, so don't miss out. Links are in the description below. Okay, let me share these 3 proven ways to uncover moments that matter. Number 1, start with why. Every story has a purpose. Before diving into footage or interviews, ask yourself, why does this story matter? Who is this story for? What impact do you want it to have? Think of your why as the North Star guiding every decision you make. Without it, your story risks feeling scattered or forgettable. So here's some examples across different industries. If you're a wedding videographer, you're preserving a legacy. Instead of focusing on the day's logistics, zero in on the unique connection between the couple, how they met, their shared dreams, or what makes their love story special. Documentary filmmakers, are you educating, inspiring, or challenging perspectives? For example, if your film explores a social issue, are you aiming to inform the audience or drive action? Define your why before you press record. If you're a nonprofit producer, highlight the change you're advocating for. If you're creating a campaign video, think about the emotional response you want. Compassion, urgency, hope. Then design your story around that. If you're a business video producer, focus on transformation. Instead of just listing features, tell the story of how a product or a service solves a real-world problem. For instance, show how a company's innovation helped a customer save time. Maybe it cut costs or achieved a breakthrough. Knowing your why keeps your story focused and impactful. It's the foundation for finding the moments that matter. So here's an action step. Use a tool like Whimsical or Trello to map out your story's purpose visually. Jot down key moments or themes that align with your why and build your project around them. Here's the second proven way to uncover moments that matter. Number 2, listen for the story. The heart of your story is often hiding in plain sight, in the words people say, how they say them, or even in the pauses between their words. Listening intentionally is one of the most powerful tools a storyteller has. Now let's talk about finding the gold in the dialogue. Number 1, listen for emotion. Pay attention to when someone's voice cracks or their tone shifts. Maybe they pause to collect their thoughts. These moments are often where the deepest truth lies. Number 2, ask open-ended questions. Avoid questions that lead to simple yes or no answers. Instead, try, what did that moment teach you? Or how did that experience change you? Number 3, use tools wisely. Apps like Descript or Otter.ai can help you tag and organize impactful sound bites, making it easier to spot recurring themes or emotional spikes. Okay, let me break this down for the space you're in. Business producers, focus on clients or team members' journeys. For example, ask, what challenge did you face before using this product? How did things change after implementing the solution. Highlighting personal growth or company success stories will make the audience care. Documentary filmmaker, look for the unscripted gems in interviews. The smallest detail, a childhood memory, or an emotional reaction often hold the key to a deeper narrative. Follow up with questions like, what did that mean to you personally? Are you a nonprofit producer? Stories of impact are everywhere. Find them in heartfelt anecdotes from those you serve or volunteers sharing why they give their time. Ask, how did this program change your perspective or life? Okay, wedding videographers, listen closely to vows, toasts, or even candid conversations. Often an unscripted laugh or tearful word of gratitude can become the emotional center of your video. Great stories aren't just about what happened, they're about what it meant. Listening carefully will help you uncover layers of meaning that resonate. Here's an action step to take. Use the 3-pass listening method. Here it is. Number 1, on the first pass, note key points. Second pass, highlight tone and emotion. Third pass, look for aha moments, quotes or reactions that will anchor your story. Here's the third proven way to uncover moments that matter. Number 3, find the transformation. Every great story has a transformation. It's the journey from where you start to where you end up. This is what gives your story purpose and emotional weight. So start with the problem. What's the conflict or challenge? Highlight it early to draw your attention in. Show the journey. Document the steps, big or small, that lead to growth or change. This could be a heartfelt wedding speech, maybe a pivotal decision in a documentary, or even an innovative product solving a customer's pain point. Third, end with impact. Transformation doesn't have to be dramatic. Even subtle changes like a shift in mindset can be incredibly powerful. Here are some insights for different creators. Business producers, show how a product or service helps someone overcome a specific challenge. Whether it's a company founder's struggle to innovate or a customer's success story, transformation makes it relatable. Documentary filmmakers, capture the evolution of a character or situation. Highlight small wins, moments of doubt, and even breakthroughs to keep the audience invested. Nonprofit producers, focus on the real-world impact of your organization. For instance, show how a single donation helped a family or how a volunteer program transformed a community. If you're a wedding videographer, every wedding is a journey of transformation where two people become one. So use recurring motifs like rings, candles, or flowers to subtly show the progression from preparation to celebration. Now that you've learned these 3 steps, here's my challenge to you. Take your current project and apply them. Start with why, then listen for emotional truths, and focus on transformation. If you do, you'll create stories that resonate, inspire, and leave a lasting impression. Don't just let these tips sit on the shelf. Take action today. My Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop is free, but it's filling up fast, and my Start with Story, End with Wow Master course enrollment is open for just a limited time. If you're ready to elevate your storytelling, now's the time to start. Thanks for watching.